Today, let's check out a bluesy walking bass line in your left hand to create a circle of fifths for the iconic autumn leaves. And we'll also check out 3 easy tips to learn all about that bass. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Well, let's start with 4 notes. That's all that we need to create 4 beats of a walking bass line up the piano to arrive at our next chord. Tip number 1 is to look out for the black and white keys. I'll call out the black and white keys to identify our visual patterns as we go. So let's play our first note starting on low E in the left hand. We have an E note, this steps to a black, white, black. We then arrive at an A followed by a white, white, black, bringing us up to a D. Let's run that part together. 1, 2, here we go. Tip number 2 helps us out if our hands start to become too close together. As we bring the pattern upward, we may start to run out of room, so we can do a big octave jump down. So let's go from our D note and jump the octave down to low D, then white and black notes, then continuing on with G, white, black, white, and then let's throw in another octave jump from C to low C, white, white. And let's play a run of that section. 1, 2, here we go. Our final riffs start on F sharp, white, white and black, up to B, black, white and black. We end on an E vamp, an A vamp, and then we can return to the top with an E note again. Let's run that section together. 1, 2, here we go. Before we put it all together for a full run, I'll share tip number 3 with a mini explanation of the circle of fifths. Whether we choose to walk up or down with our left hand, if we start a walking pattern on a note and we call it the fifth, this note will then want to pull us to a new chord 1. A new fifth keeps pulling us to a new 1, like in autumn leaves. And if we follow the pattern of fifths all the way around, then we actually return to our starting key of E, which is pretty cool. Let's put it all together. 1, 2, here we go. Thanks so much for joining me today and for staying to the end. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is the best compliment you can give. Happy music making. Ta-da!